Today we're going to learn about Lucas, a little boy who lives in France. He's 8 years old and his favourite thing in the whole world is bread. There are lots of types of bread: white bread, baguette, hamburger buns. And with each type of bread you can make something different and delicious to eat. Now it's your turn to make something delicious with bread. And as usual, your friends will help you from home.
Yes, we'll help you!
I think the teacher said that with each bread you can make something different to eat.
How do we make something to eat?
Look at the cookbook!
Yeah, the cookbook explains how.
Great bread recipes.
Open it!
Breadsticks are perfect for spreading creams, sauces, and pâté.
What was that?
My stomach. I'm starving.
Don't worry, we're going to make breadsticks real fast. Gosh, I'm really sorry.
That's okay, Hehe. It was an accident. Ho-ho, hoo-hoo. Take care of the breadsticks, please.
Okay.
Hehe, hee-hee. Let's look for something to spread on the breadsticks.
Super cool! I found tomato sauce.
I found cream cheese.
And I found some lint. Wait, look here of all the breadsticks.
White bread can be used to make a sandwich with ham, cheese, lettuce, and many other ingredients.
Was that your stomach?
I'm very, very hungry. Let's make the sandwiches. Some lettuce, a slice of tomato,
A slice of ham, a slice of cheese,
A slice of turkey, a spinach leaf.
a clove of garlic, half a banana.
Boy!
I'm going to make the biggest sandwich of all time.
We'll see about that. Because mine's going to be super gigantic. A slice of turkey, a spinach leaf, a slice of turkey, a spinach leaf, a slice of turkey.
A piece of melon, half an apple, a slice of pepper, a mushroom. A piece of melon, half an apple, a slice of pepper, a mushroom. A piece of melon, half an apple.
Maybe you two should stop.
A piece of melon.
A spinach leaf.
Uh-oh.
A slice of
Timber! Was that her stomach?
I don't think so.
I told you to stop.
Huh? Ha ha.
What? We've got something for you.
Yeah, we made it all together. It's called pan tomaca. Ta-da!
Huh?
You rub half of a tomato on the bread
Then you add a little salt
and finally drizzle it with olive oil. Mmm.
No, Boy.
Are you still angry?
No, it's my stomach. I'm very, very, very hungry. It's delicious.
Nice going! Great job! You did it! You made something delicious to eat with bread.
Now you know how to make something delicious to eat with bread. Congratulations!
Hi, Momonsters!
Hi, Dee.
Today we're going to learn about Antoine, a little boy who lives in France. He's 5 years old and his favourite thing in the whole world is doing puzzles. A puzzle is a picture divided into little bits that are called pieces. To do a puzzle, you have to put all the pieces in the right place to make the image complete again. Now it's your turn to do a puzzle. And as usual, your friends will help you from home.
Yes, we'll help you!
Wow! It's us! Super cool!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 pieces.
And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 of us Momonsters!
Then there are pieces for all of us.
Yeah! We can each take a piece and start doing the puzzle! I pick this one. It's the prettiest piece. But this one is the funniest!
I think this is the most interesting piece, right?
Who wants some?
All the pieces are pretty fun and interesting.
Oh, yeah? Which one did you pick?
It's the greenest.
There's more pieces.
That's okay. We don't need them.
No, Hee. I think the teacher said we have to put all the pieces in the right way to make the puzzle.
Then those will be the first pieces of the puzzle. Now let's use ours.
super duper hard.
If we had a clue.
Where do the pieces go?
Look at the box!
Yeah, the picture on the box is a clue.
A perfect landing!
Maybe here? Yeah, here.
My piece looks great.
I think it needs a little green right here. How lucky, Hoo Hoo! You get to finish the puzzle. The last piece is the most important.
No, Hoo Hoo. You have to put it face up.
Look, like this.
You put it backwards, Hoo Hoo.
Look, like this.
Hoo Hoo, I think you have to put it closer.
Look, like this.
You did it, Hoo Hoo.
Super cool, Hoo Hoo.
Nice going! Great job!
You did it! You did a puzzle!